Hello guys, protecting your creative work with copyright is essential in 2025 and LegalZoom makes the registration process simple. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you secure your rights without hassle. So copyright protects original works like books, musics, art, and software from unauthorized use. Registering your copyright strengthens your legal protection and enables you to enforce your rights. So, you can start by selecting the copyright registration option on LegalZoom's website. This service is designed for individuals and businesses seeking quick, reliable protection for their creators. After selecting copyright, you'll be taken to this page. Here, click on Register My Copyright and you will fill out a straightforward form describing your work, title, type, creation date, and authorship. LegalZoom's interface guides you through each required field to avoid errors. You can select it all just right here and click on Continue. Once your information is complete, LegalZoom prepares the necessary forms and submit your application electronically to the US Copyright Office, speeding up the processing time. After your registration is processed, LegalZoom sends you a confirmation and the official copyright certificate. You can track your application status anytime through their portal. Also, having a registered copyright allows you to sue for infringement and claim statutory damages. LegalZoom services ensures your registration is done correctly, giving you a peace of mind. LegalZoom's copyright registration in 2025 offers a fast, user-friendly way to protect your creative work legally. By handling the paperwork and filing, they simplify the process so you can focus on what you create with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.